Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to make an intro on CapCut. Let's get to it. First of all, open your CapCut on your phone. Then if you want to create an intro, of course, you have to click on new project right here. And you have to choose stock videos on the top right corner of your screen and choose background. And you can pick the background that you like, and I'll just go with this black background. And we have to click on add right here. Alright, and here we go. Let's edit the intro. Put a text to your intro. You can click on text option right here and click on add text. Then enter the text that you want to make it as an intro. And you can choose the font that you like. There are a lot of fonts you can use, and I'll go with palette font. Just click on the font, then don't forget to click on this check mark after you choose the font. And we can zoom in right here like this. And we can also animate this text by clicking on this animation option. And choose the animation that you like, and I'll go with wait for a moment. And I'll go with zoom out to animation. Just click on the animation. We can adjust the length like this. Alright, and after that we can put like sound effects to our intro. We can click on audio option right here, and click on effect option and choose the effect that you like. I'll go with glamorous entrance. And then if you have chosen the effect that you like, you can click on this plus button. And we can add transition to our intro, so it will be a transition between your intro to your video. And let's add transition. We can click on this plus button. Then you have to choose stock videos. Then you can click on transition. It's right here. Go with this transition. Just click on the transition, and after that you can click on add. Alright guys, and we can also put sounds to our transition by clicking on the effect right here. And choose the effect that you like, and I'll go with crashing wooz. And I'm going to add another effect to my intro to make my intro more captivating. Alright guys, that's how we can make an intro on CapCut. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching.